Hello everyone! Welcome to this tutorial on how to add receipts to Xero. Let's walk through the process step by step. First, go to the Xero website and log into your account. If you don't have an account yet, simply click on Try Xero for free and sign up. Once you're logged in, you will be directed to the Xero dashboard. Click the drop-down arrow next to your name at the top right corner. Then click on Files. Now you will see this section. And this one is a default email, so you can reset that, of course. You just have to click on the three dots. Now you can upload files here by clicking the Upload button. Then choose the receipt you want to add from your computer. Once the receipt is uploaded, you can review it. So let's say this is the receipt we just uploaded. This is only an example. Now let's go back, and you can also click on the three dots next to the file to perform more actions such as renaming or deleting the receipt if needed. And that's pretty much it. You have successfully added a receipt to Xero. I hope you found this tutorial helpful. Thank you for watching and see you next time.